Hi, welcome to All About IELTS. Now in this lesson, we're gonna learn how to write an effective introduction for IELTS Writing Task 2. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at the question prompt. It says here, in recent years, many wild animals are close to extinction, while others are on the endangered list. What are the reasons for this and what can be done to solve this problem? Okay, so this is causes and solutions essay. Causes and solution type essay. Okay, now what should be there in the introduction part of the task 2? So many people say that your introduction should be interesting, but that is not true. Interest is not assessed in IELTS. So what should be there in your introduction? There should be two things. First is the background statement. Now what is background statement? Background statement is paraphrasing the topic sentence. Paraphrase the topic sentence. Okay. Second thing would be thesis statement. And what is thesis statement? Thesis statement is your answer. Your answer, in this case, your answer would be the possible reasons for the extinction of wild animals as well as the solutions to that problem. So in thesis statement, you're gonna show your ideas, reasons and solutions. Now if you look at the question prompt again, we'll highlight some keywords here. In recent years, many wild animals, okay, are close to extinction. This is the main keyword, the core keyword we can call it, while others are on the endangered list. Others are on the verge of being extinct. So we'll write down the introduction. So in recent years can be written in our words. So remember, we're gonna paraphrase the topic sentence. So the meaning of the whole sentence should remain the same as it is there in the question prompt. It should not be changed, but the words we're gonna change. That is called paraphrasing. We'll write down here, in recent years can be written down as in recent times. Many wild animals are close to extinction. Now many wild animals, we can say here numerous animal species are close to extinction, are near to, close to extinction can be written down as are near to becoming extinct. Now this is very good for IELTS. You can see the word extinction, which is noun here, and we have changed the form of the word here. Animal species are near to becoming extinct, while we're gonna say whereas others are on the endangered list. Others can be written down as some. Are on the endangered list, have been listed as endangered. So this is the paraphrasing of our topic sentence. In recent times, numerous animal species are near to becoming extinct, whereas some have been listed as endangered. So what we have done, we have just written down the topic sentence again in our own words. So the meaning remains the same, and that's very good paraphrasing. Now our thesis statement. What is thesis statement? Our answer to these questions. This is double question essay. So see, it says here reasons and the solutions. So you can have one reason and one solution, or you can have more than one reasons and more than one solutions. Here we will only have one reason and one solution. So we'll write down the thesis statement now. Can say one of the reasons for this is climate change. Because of the global warming, the climate has changed, and because of that, many animals are getting extincted. Okay, so climate change is our answer for the reasons, and the solution, we're going to write down the solution as well. Which has altered their natural surroundings and the whole ecosystem. Because of the climate change, their natural surroundings, like their homes and the area where they live, they have changed, and the whole ecosystem has disturbed as well. So that's our solution to that. That's our answer to the reasons that. Now we're gonna write down the solution. A possible solution could be for the governments across the globe to impose environmental protections policies cooperatively. Now what is our solution? A possible solution could be for the governments across the globe. That means the governments of the world to impose environmental protection policies cooperatively, collectively, jointly. All the governments or the most of the world's governments can take action against this to solve this problem. So now this is how our conclusion introduction should look like. See, we have written down how many words. We're gonna count the words now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 42, 44, 46, 48, 52, 54, 56. There's 56 words altogether, and which is very nice. So remember, the structure of the introduction should be background statement, first of all, paraphrase the topic sentence, and then thesis statement, which is your idea, and this is your chance to show the IELTS that what could be or what should be expected from the later part of the essay, the body paragraphs, as well as in the conclusion. So your examiner would be very clear what to expect next. So this is, in my opinion, a very impressive introduction. So that's how you should be doing as well. Hope you have liked my video. If you have, please consider subscribing to my channel all about IELTS.